Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to transfer TikTok data to Rednote app. It is actually super easy and simple to do it. You just have to follow a few steps and you can easily get your data from TikTok to your Rednote app. So basically, there is no integration between TikTok and Rednote through which you can transfer that data, but there's another way, there's another method through which you can do that. So first you have to open your TikTok app, and after that you have to go to its privacy and settings. And after that, once you get there, you just have to simply click on your account and then click on download your data. First you have to request for your data. Once you get your data, you can just simply download. Your data will get downloaded into the form of a zip file. In that data, it will have all of your videos that you have posted on TikTok. So once you have all of your data, what you can do is that you can just simply unzip it in your mobile phone, and then you will have all of your videos that you have posted on TikTok. Then one by one you can upload all of them on Rednote app. So that's how you can transfer all of your data from your TikTok to your Rednote app. On Rednote, you just have to simply do the same thing that you do to create any video, just like you have to upload it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.